For today's lesson, this is lesson number 2 in Levels and Pathway. The equipment that you're going to need are going to be 6 objects. So with your objects, they can be a variety of items. I have some examples on the screen. It could be shoes, water bottles, stuffed animals, pillows, books, rolled up socks, anything that would be safe to move your body over. So just as an example, the objects that I'm using today are a water bottle. I have 2 pairs of shoes. I have an exercise band, a ball, and a towel. So just make sure you have 6 different objects, and we will get going. This week, we are practicing moving at different levels and pathways. So I can move low, medium, and high levels. I can demonstrate understanding of low, medium, and high levels using different animal movements or travel patterns with my body. I can also understand personal space and traveling in different directions. Straight pathway. My body's going to move in a straight pathway, almost like I'm running or doing a locomotor skill of my choice on a straight line in straight lines as I move straight forward into that straight pathway. So you're going to practice different ways to move in a straight pathway. 30 seconds. Moving that body in a straight pathway here. You can even move forward and backwards. That body's moving in a straight line. Got 5 seconds. And time. The next pathway is a zigzag pathway, so my body is going to make a zigzag pattern as I move through space. Practice zigzag pathway. The next pathway is curved pathway. My body is going to make a curvy shape as I move through space. All right, you have your 6 objects with you, and you're going to need those 6 objects today. What are some different kinds of patterns of pathways that you can move in now that we practice those pathways and movement levels in lesson number 1? How about different directions can you travel? So you're going to set up an obstacle course using your 6 objects. So for 60 seconds, you're going to design your obstacle course with your 6 objects. So I'm going to design my course when you are designing yours, and you're going to have 60 seconds to set it up. Here we go. seconds. So just design that obstacle course down to your final 12 seconds here. If you need to push pause, if you need more time, that's A-okay. Got 10 seconds. Here's my obstacle course. All right, time. So we're gonna, for 60 seconds, we're going to move into our obstacle course. You're gonna have 60 seconds to just move through your obstacle course using different types of patterns, moving your body at different levels. So you can move zigzag, curved pathway, high, low, medium, around, over, using those different kinds of concepts. You can use animal movements as well too. So for 60 seconds, you're just going to move through your obstacle course. If you want a little added extra challenge, you can try to see how many times you can go through your obstacle course. Here we go. Three, two, and time. How did you do? You can go ahead and do that challenge again if you'd like, just by pushing restart on that 60-second timer, and go ahead and practice that challenge again. If you want to add more objects to your obstacle course, feel free to do it. Get creative. If you want to share some of those obstacles in your seesaw, you can do that as well too.